Hello, friends. It's story time. It's fun time. This is a very funny incident happened in my life in early 80s. In Delhi, the new concept of milk booth was installed in different location by Mother Dairy. It was under Operation Flood. In those days, only milk was available in the Mother Dairy booth and no other items available, not even packet milk. The new system of Mother Dairy booth was very interesting for all kids in those times. First, we have to collect the coins from the counter and then put one coin at a time and wait for milk to come out. Then again put another coin and wait for milk. Likewise, we had to put more coins and wait for milk. The same system is followed now also. In those days, booth was open only in evening time. That is from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. And it was not operational from morning time like these days. It was in general practice to bring milk from Mother Dairy by any of us from the family. But we kids were enjoyed to bring milk from Mother Dairy booth. In early 80s, my mama, mommy, cousins came from Silchar, that is from Assam, and it was their first visit to Delhi. Now, one fine evening, my brother took my cousin to Mother Dairy booth. My cousin observed the whole process very interestingly and astonished the way milk come out. After returning home, my mama asked my cousin what he had seen. He was so excited to narrate the process and finished by saying that he went to bathroom and brought some milk from there. What a reply! We all shocked and laughed. He was just 4 years old boy at that time. We can understand from this incident that a kid observed the new things very closely. Whenever we remember the incident, we always end with a good laugh. Hope you also enjoyed this incident. Bye now. See you again with some more interesting life experience. Thank you for listening. Enjoy your time. Bye.